Assalamu alaikum bhai, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. I have come here to buy some modern tiles tools. How can I get it?
No problem. We have a lot of modern tools. If you want tiles working accurate and perfectly, we have lot of tools.
Will you show me?
Of course.
Come on.
I will show.
Okay. Let me show, brother. Come on.
Yes, we have a. There are lot of tools. We have
Such as?
such as this is tiles spacer, tiles leveling clip,
Okay.
leveling clip. This is name is T-tape leveling clip.
T-shirt leveling clip.
There are a lot of tools. Do you have an idea? Our shop tools with our shop.
I have actually no idea. I have come here to buy. No, actually, because I wanna make my. I'm going to build a house where I wanna use the modern tools of tiles. So I watched some video from your YouTube channels, but I had no idea. But I have come here to know about especially spacer.
spacer.
Okay. So what?
Do you need spacer
Yes, I obviously need a
in
spacer.
our shop?
Yes, I wanna buy from your shop. So tell me something about spacer. How many?
If you want use with tiles
Yes.
spacer, this is spacer work is
To level.
level, not level. This is step you joint.
Oh, of the
If
of
you
the
want.
tiles.
Yes, yes.
Oh my god. Is there any types
I don't know. I don't know about English.
No problem.
I make mistake.
No problem. Is there any classification of these tiles? What's the meaning?
Tiles spacer.
Tiles is there any classification?
No. Yeah, of course.
How many? 1 milli? Is it?
It is 1 milli, 1.5 milli,
Oh,
2 milli,
3
3
milli?
milli, 4 milli, and 5
Highest?
milli. 5 milli.
Oh, it starts from 1 milli. The highest is 5 milli.
5 milli.
Okay. So any more? You mentioned first time this is level up.
Leveler. This name is leveler.
Leveler. Okay.
Bengali is local name Matam Kilip.
Matam clip.
Matam Kilip.
Remember this name.
Matam Kilip. There are lot of tools. If you want to see, I will show all the tools.
Yes,
My
I
shop.
want to know. I want to know. I appreciate to know you from
This name is laser light leveler.
laser light.
Leveler.
Why we should use it?
If you want your floor level accurately, you must be use
This machine.
product. Yes.
Is there any other type of machine?
Yes, of course. This price is high.
This price is high because
Quality is
quality
very
is
well.
strong. Okay.
This quality is low.
This is another.
Another.
Okay. Very good. So another things.
Vibrator machine. Guys, vibrator machine.
Oh, what the sound like a cow? Hamba. Okay.
Use is this use that way. This way.
Okay. To make the tiles perfectly joined with cement.
Yes.
How many? But there is another things I watched from your video, that is putting, epoxy putting actually. Like I am very astonished when I was. You mentioned your putting is validity over 50 years
50 years.
and variety of colors.
Color guarantee.
Variety of colors. Oh my god! If you any dirty on this color, just move, and you'll be clean totally. Can you give me some knowledge about this putting?
If you want use your floor or home floor,
Okay.
your guarantee is 30 years.
30 years.
30 years guarantee, color guarantee.
Sorry for not mention 50 years. Okay, 30 years, 40 years around
Yes,
there.
around.
So which color? I have been seeing which color is very.
There is a lot of color.
But most of the color is very sweet to look. Which color is very popular right now?
Golden color.
Golden color. Yes, it also looks like one kind of golden jewelry color. Is it
Golden color. Also white color, off-white color, grey color.
black color also?
That is very popular color our country.
Okay. So any classification or any types of epoxy putting? Any other company?
Yes, lot of company. There is lot of company. Big Lion. This is the name is Big Lion epoxy putting, Giazin epoxy putting, Castor epoxy putting, Lota epoxy putting.
Lota.
There is country a lot of epoxy putting.
Okay, the price is same.
No, no, no.
Little bit
Little
difference.
bit.
Okay, but works is same.
Same.
It works same. Anything more? I wanna know.
There is a lot of product. How can I explain about?
So
this?
you should come here. It is true. Okay.
Yes,
But
yes.
I'm learning many things. I'm a new many things. So actually, I have no any idea. Okay, it's a big thing. What's the name? Is Bengali?
This is name is Thela machine.
Thela machine.
Our country local name. There's worker.
Mechanic works is
Speak.
to cut the ties.
Yes, to cut ties.
Alright.
Eastern ties.
Any kind of ties, it cut by it.
Right now there is no ties. That's why I.
No, like mechanic can cut any kind of ties.
Any kind of
with it.
ties.
Oh my god! So you do not need the machine. It's Sonic Spodex, another machine. Oh, there is no need to electricity. How is it possible? Oh, it's a battery. It has battery. How many hours it can work? The capacity?
Whole day.
Whole day.
Whole day.
Only one charge.
Yes.
Wow, it's a very powerful machine. You should use it.
Battery power is
48 volume.
volume.
Oh, it's a huge and enough volume for a day if you work with these machines. When there is no electricity,
Ramar Hatur.
it's a hammer.
Hammer Hatur.
Hammer. Oh, it's also popular, so you need it if you are mechanic or in ties factory. Anything more you'd like to know? I'm getting more wonderful how much I'm knowing from you.
Vibrator machine, a big size.
Big size.
Big size.
Like especially the 24 or 40. It's a more powerful. It's a more powerful and strong machine. So if you need the extra work, you should buy it. Okay.
Yes.
There are a lot of things. He's also wonderful. Where he will start there. Anything more? What is it?
This name is Katakunni.
Katakuni.
Our Bangladeshi name.
So he is using most of the local name. So don't mind for this. It's a very popular name in Bangladesh. So he loves his country's language. So this.
Tiles Kunni.
Kunni. You can use it not for ties but also any other things. Also you can use it in more these things.
Holder.
Holder.
Tiles holder.
To keep the ties away.
Tiles holder.
Okay. Oh my god, the color is silver. Very looks my favorite silver color. Anything more you'd like to show? Not
Right now I'm forget lot of
a lot of things. But there are more things are available to describe it. So you have to come here once it. The shop is small, but doesn't matter. If you need all variety or class of modern ties tools, you will get from this shop.
We have a lot of godown.
Oh my god, it has a lot of place for keeping the. This is a one kind of demo. Okay, it's a one kind of demo. You will get other and what actually need related ties related tools, ties related things you can get from these shops.
Everyone, don't mind. I can't practice speaking English, but
No problem.
my brother is fluent speaker.
I'm not also.
I make mistake. I know.
No problem. My clients or your customers can understand the full things from this video. It's a very good. Anything more you'd like to say for your customers?
No. If you want, if you want, our shop with our shop.
That
You
location.
you must be come
The
here.
location, please.
Location, Baobazar Bridge, Kodamtali Chakkor with near.
Okay, the actually location. Haribanga, what's the route? Hadia Road,
Haradia Complex.
Haradia Complex.
This place name is Haradia Complex.
Okay.
Allah Rafa Islam Bank.
Or it's located under the Al Araf Islami Bank. So the first floor. You get the first floors in front of the main road. So never forget to come here. Obviously come this place to get or if you need the modern ties tools. Goodbye from this video. Next time.